There's more to searching the internet than searching Google and being done with it. We have choices, and when you're working on an academic paper, it pays to be selective in your search process, not just because your teachers are wary of web sources, but because you should be wary of wasting your time. Understanding the different kinds of search engines and directories can help you get to the information you need quicker and with less hassle. I found this quick lesson on search engines on Pandia website. You can check out more lessons by visiting the link. Originally, there were two kinds of search engines on the web, directories and engines. Search engines are hierarchical databases with references to websites. The websites that are included are handpicked by living human beings and classified according to the rules of that particular search service. Yahoo is the mother of all search directories. However, in order to search the directory, you must go to their special directory page, what's listed on the slide. Their regular search results are not fetched from the directory, but from their search engine. The Open Directory is another popular directory, a catalog compiled by enthusiasts from all over the world. Directories are very useful when you have no more than a general notion of what you are looking for. The first page normally gives you the most general categories, like computers and internet, or education, or home and garden, hobbies, people and relationships. Click your way down the hierarchy to the right category, select the website you find the most interesting, and start reading. If you use the search form when exploring a directory, remember that you are not searching the text of the actual web page of a particular site. Instead, you are searching the text contained in the site title and the description of the site. These are composed by the directory editors and are often based on suggestions from the site owners themselves. In addition, most directories will also serve the words contained in the category titles or descriptions. Note, however, that some search directories may add data from regular search engines if they cannot find matches to your query. Search engines are, engines or robots that crawl the web looking for new web pages. These robots read the web pages and put the text or part of the text in a large database or index that you may access. None of them cover the whole net, but some of them are quite large. The major players in this field are Google, Yahoo Search, which is not the same as Yahoo Directory, Bing, formerly known as Live Search, does anyone remember way back then, and Ask. Search engines should be your first choice when you know exactly what you are looking for. They also cover a much larger part of the web than the directories. There are also meta-search services like Yippee and Dogpile. They search several search engines and directories at the same time, trying to extract the most relevant hits from all of them. You might find it useful to start your search with one of these, just to get a general feeling of what is out there. The search syntax is problematic, however. It may vary from search engine to search engine, which means that the meta search engine has to try to translate your query into a language that each search engine will understand. Most often than not, they will not try to do so. For more complex searches, you should go directly to the relevant search engine. Also note that the meta search engines will give you but a small part of the research from each individual search engine. The main reason for using meta search engines today is that some of them provide special features not found in regular search engines. Yippee, for instance, uses a special clustering technology that sorts the results into different groups or clusters that might help you pinpoint the right set of websites more easily. Here's a list of meta search engines at the bottom of the Pandia.com meta search page. There are also what we call specialized search engines that focus on one type of information. Some of them just present subsets of what is found in the regular search engine results, while others may provide information not found there. There are especially two kinds of specialized search engines you might want to take a look at: news search engines and blog search engines. The reason for this is that news sites and blog search engines will rank fresh information much higher than the regular search engines. News and blog articles form the most popular sites, and blogs may appear in these search engines less than an hour after they have been published. So if you are looking for up-to-date information on what is happening right now, try search engines like Google News and Google Blog Search. Of these two, Google News works best. Unfortunately, so far the various blog search engines haven't managed to handle the spam problem quite well. But you can try Technorati, as it does a pretty good job. Google now indexes billions of web pages. One thing remains true, however. The search engines do not all cover the same parts of the Internet universe, which gives you every reason to use more than one of them. At the moment, we find Google to be the best search engine, while the Open Directory and Yahoo seem to be the best directories. For meta searching, we recommend Yippee and Ixquick. Then there is the Pandia meta search engine, of course, you can search. However, do try other search services as well. Some of them may be perfect for your needs.